morning, you see what today prevails. Standing next to my bed. But today's gonna be quite the day. Roll scene that I did before this. So now, hello? Alrighty. Jacob specifically, evidently, is going to be here in the next couple of minutes. He's going to have a sleepover with me. Xander's coming in probably the next 20 minutes, so it's not just going to be Jacob, it's going to be Xander too. Hopefully we'll get this comforter on the bed soon. We need that. It'll hopefully be dry. It's been drying since last night, and we cannot seem to avoid the wet patches. It's like the tip of the iceberg. Alright. So that's really been... Alrighty.
Remember to put on deodorant, please. Put on deodorant.
I already did. So that's my morning so far. I've just been kind of settling and adapting and to what's about to go down through the rest of the day because we're gonna be here and hey Dax. Maybe we're gonna be able to do several things. I know we're gonna go out on the beach with my sister on the south end, pretty much instantly, because she wants to get here, and we're here a bit early, rather. And then we're also probably going to get, Jersey Mike's or something. So that's going to be loads of fun. So, once again, just settling in, and adapting, and getting ready, which cannot be always easy in the morning, because it is 9:45 right now. Add that to my sticker collection. Don't ask. The bed's all made. I'm eating a banana. Yeah. And then they'll be here in the next few minutes.
Go outside.
Oh, this thing's covered in dog.
Oh yeah, that's covered in dogger.
Come on. The lines got picked.
I think I'm gonna leave it.
I did. I'm making a real.
Try acoustic. Not bright.
Go back to acoustic. Where's acoustic?
Back? I'm not gonna turn it.
I'm on a show.
Keep it.
That's
Keep
the-
it. Keep it light.
Oh, now this is the angle y'all need.
Hey, when I say go, I want you to change it from acoustic to
Can I put this on your GoPro? It's gonna be like dun dun dun.
So when I say change it to acoustic, change the volume.
The strap broke.
Oh.
Yeah, my strap broke in Greece.
Thank you for letting us go out on the north end or south end.
They're in the cab.
Jacob's looking up.
That's the best part. That's the best part. You can have the back. I just listen to it.
We were looking up random songs on my sister's phone. We got Jersey Mike's too. Haley, you are gonna control and drive this, right? Alrighty, I think we are going to get in the bed. There's definitely enough room, but we need to... Do you want to move some of the stuff into the...
No.
We are going to get... I've never been in the bed. We're definitely not of... No, I've definitely not been in the bed of this truck.
If I'm sure.
Probably. Ooh, you want to block that?
Remember that part in Sixth Sense where the mom puts the rat poison in the kid's cereal?
No, it was the kid. Yeah.
That part was horrible.
And the kid knew it, but couldn't do anything about it.
And the kid was like, "Hey, I gotta show you my dad's gun." He's just gonna go back to his head's
Not only this, but remember, you guys get to spend the night. Taking a break, I see. Taking a break, I see.
Yeah, I tried to dive in the water and I dove into the sand.
Yeah, I know, several times.
Yeah.
Jacob, don't stand. You did a footprint.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Take a look at this landscape. I still might make a pool in that corner.
This crease right here?
Yeah,
Go get me another water.
that
It's
corner.
not allowed.
Take a look.
Is that a bee?
That's an actual bee.
Where did that come from? There's a bee flying around. Yeah. Sorry about that.
Sorry. Jacob, Xander, do y'all want to play ladder ball?
Here.
Alright. Here we go.
You need Cracker Barrel vibes. Oops.
Center, please don't do it. We played Candy Jam, ladder ball, a lot of stuff. Very fun in the last like 10 minutes. We're probably gonna go crazy. This is somewhat like the golf cart, like a golf cart ride. This is somewhat like a just like a golf cart ride.
I can't poop you out of my mind. I can't poop you. Diamond armor on my body.
So are you putting the airs in the tires?
Yeah. You know how to do it?
A little bit, I think. I think mom and dad showed me in like last year. Well, we're coming back home after we, ordered some pizza from.
We did do that. Yes, we did.
At the boardwalk, and we actually ate for a little bit. And Haley also picked up
did that
Brits,
also.
so that was some business there. That's just how we roll.
Go, dude.
What we got? All right, yes, sir.
We're leaving those there. That's a perfect spot.
Once again, thank you for having us. They've been here for the past, or we've been with them, and for the past
Oh, cute puppy.
probably 7 or 8 hours actually. That feels like that's a whole school day. How's it, Jacob?
In my ears.
How's your update on our sleepover so far? Significantly. We're about 1/3 through.
So Jacob.
You guys are
Pause
very
it really
lazy.
Whoa, Jacob.
Guys, my battery's sufficiently charged.
Ooh, yes.
There we go. Oh,
What the
that's...
frick is this video? Dude, this is so mean. This video titled Fat and Stupid Fail Compilation.
We played some Jackbox and... Oh, there's my row. I was wondering for it. It's literally on the door. I think we're gonna eat rather soon. And, maybe hang around the house. We might actually go to that front room in a bit. 7 minutes. Okay. So, speaking of which, guys, I also got sunburned. And, I think in a few...
I gotta let you in on a little secret. So, my parents have been like real the big teasers. Like, they kind of dictate me, and they don't really like the crowds and stuff like that. But, it's been good because I get... Sandra, we're recording. Okay, let's do that again.
I have these, ginger ales. Or, actually, they're called Sierra Mist, but, Oh, wait.
Hey,
what?
man, how's it going? I need to let you in on a little secret. You see me?
Are y'all ready to eat?
Jacob, what? So? Come on, let's go do it to Dad. Hey, Dad, we actually have.
Being a
Good
good
boy.
friend.
We
You
had,
guys gonna get your napkins up or not?
no.
Guess I'm doing all the
You-
community
you want-
service today.
We had some cheeseburgers and some tater tots.
Here, I'm gonna pour the rest.
Pretty good stuff. Talk to you later. It was very good. And we stay out there until the bugs are starting to eat us, and we might actually film a little cool horror scene.
I'm not.
Soon. Here, I'll do it as I'm typing.
3,
Okay.
2, 1, shoot.
Wait, hold on. I can't remember wait, what should I type?
Xander, this is not the time. Wait, Kyler.
I'm not doing
Oh my god, it's a mosquito. Hey, hold still. Hold still. Hold still, it's a mosquito. The size of a mosquito.
Oh, it's that one? Yeah, I told you about that. It's on your butt.
Wait, just. Oh, you filmed this whole thing?
Am I?
Yes.
You see, I wasn't
Oh,
exaggerating.
Darn. I don't think I can anytime soon.
It's either a Glock or a P250. It's a Glock.
that's good. Are you ready? Okay. I really don't know what that was. A little sketched out. Could have sworn I locked this. Really don't know what that is. And a little sketched out. I thought I locked it. Guess not. That's for the neighbors. Neighbors. It's 11 p.m. Okay, you can stop now. Doesn't seem to be any problems in here. I think I'm gonna go back now. You good? Go, Jacob, go. Okay, are you ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. I really don't know what's going on. This is fun. All in on 3, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Those tingles spread to my face. We just had cookies and milk. Saw a little bit of the NBA and we're finishing up the video, the horror video. We're finishing up the horror video.
Yeah.
I gotta get out of here, but also I need to stay in. This lock, I didn't turn this light on, and I don't remember this door being open. Okay. Maybe it was nothing. Probably just making things worse. Tomorrow will just be another day. Nothing to worry about.
Hey, Jacob. How you doing today, little buddy?
Everyone's so.
This is a medical emergency. Please pull apart again.
You just wanted to tell Annie you're sorry. You don't want to get off on the wrong foot.
After another.
I just wanted to apologize for getting off on the wrong foot. That guy's very upset.
Sir,
So
sir,
Okay.
seriously,
I just wanted to
do not, sir.
Oh my God.
This is like some sort of like. You're making this kind of creepy and echoey. I showed them the karaoke machine. It took several minutes, but they're finally really into it. As I expected, just with the sound effects and voice effects. And I think we're gonna film a little stand-up comedy show. Yeah. Jacob seen that again?
Wait, Jacob from Diary of a Wimpy Kid? Or just forwarded.
What you know about going down, when your brain goes numb, your feet fall out of your feet.
Like, kind of almost sounds like it's from like another room, and you're hearing it, or like a slowed reverb. Alright, do that again. Do that again.
Do what again?
Okay. When you had the flashlight untucked.
My pants are touching
Okay, just
my upper intestine.
okay. Hiding from Jacob. I've kind of made a mistake. I clicked the second one, and it's really close to like overflowing.
Here, stop it.
That's really bad. I did the medium power one. I did.
It's like, where would I leave off in my intestine?
Okay, well, are we ready to go back? Yeah, sure. Okay, we all finished our
I want my teacup.
our heart chocolate.
Hold on, let me bring my cup.
We turned the TV and all.
You got the TV? Sweet.
I turned the TV off. And, we were watching them more videos and mainly in Practical Jokers. Turned this off and finished up with our. That was almost pretty bad. What was that exactly? That was. Let me close this. Okay. We finished up with our dishes. I think we're good. Let's check out what these guys are doing. It's nearly 1 in the morning. Scare me. Well, it's the outro for, I believe, a very, what's the word? I can't think of the word. I'm trying to think of a lot of words. Okay. It involved a lot of things. Contained a lot of fun things and events. Yeah. And that included Jacob and Xander coming over. So I woke up and got ready pretty quickly. I had a little, rather, breakfast. I had a banana before finishing up, cleaning stuff and packing. Well, no, not packing, because, like, they were coming to my house, so there's no need to pack when you're hosting the other friend coming over, or friends. So, yeah. After that, Xander came over within, like, probably around 10:05. Jacob followed shortly after, and thought it was going to be Vice first, but Xander came, so I was finishing up a couple things, got some stuff ready for when Jacob came over, and then he got here, and we played Jackbox for a bit, and also played on the keyboard, piano, with all the different modes and variations, and like nylon, grind. Anyway, very fun stuff. We're good there. And we got my sister and her girlfriend, Courtney, to drive us out on the south end, since that's what they were originally planning to do. At first, Haley, remember, there was a call a week ago, or so, where she was like, I can probably take you out, and if you want, I can scoop Xander and Jacob up on that day, and we could go, but I figured they could just come over, so that's what turned into doubt to happen. But either way, she came and picked me, Jacob and Xander up. We went out on the south end, and by the time we got there, we got to sit in the bed. That's right, the bed of the truck. It's not the first time I've ever been in the bed of a truck riding, but I think it's the second or third, and the other 2 times are probably from when I was like 6 or 7 or something. So a while ago. And I think it was only for like a minute or 2. Just for like fun with other family members, but this was fun. Been in my new sister's truck, first time in the bed, up at the truck, and we rode on South End, had a lot of fun, a lot of different things happened, played in the water, played games. We also picked up food from Jersey Mike's on the way there, and then after like probably like 3 hours or so, I'd say we got out there by like, I think, was it 11:30 or 12? Left at about probably 4. So around like 4 hours probably. Yeah, either way, we picked up stuff to eat, and then on the way back, we also picked up stuff on the way to eat at the board. Walk. I actually got to go in by myself. Well, with Jacob and Sandra, but they have to use the bathroom. and I got to order it and pick it up to go. My sister ordered pizza, and after stopping by and fixing her tires, and us doing panoramas in the bed of the truck, and we're going to run this again. And I don't know if that's illegal or not to be in the bed of a truck while on like the road, like Carolina Beach Road, but definitely on the sand probably. And then after all that, we sat down and ate on a singular bench, and then the Brits Donuts as well. I wasn't really able to film much because public kind of gets you in that sorts of moods rather. But then we got back home, and it started to have some significantly bad weather, but we chilled around for a long time. We eventually had some outdoor dinner, and messed around with the bikes and stuff outside for a little bit, played Jackbox, and then we were in that front room for a while, probably like at least 3 hours. We watched some practical jokers, some reels and TikToks, and made a whole entire horror skit that I was speaking of, and of course some karaoke machine stuff for about 45 minutes, and of course made hot chocolate as well. So all that packed in one day, that is crazy. So what a day. We headed to bed after some cookies and milk and chocolate. Wait, no, hot chocolate. So thank you guys for watching. And all three of us fit into this bed. That's crazy. Thank you guys for watching, and peace.